what is spelling of there?
T-H-E-R-E.
Good. And some sentences?
There is a jug. There is a car.
Okay.
There is a bus.
Good. And you know what is difference between here and there? First you tell me the spelling of here. No, here.
H-E-R-E.
Good. And what is difference?
Because
Huh?
there
Huh?
have
No, there for distance or for near things? There.
there
Yeah.
distance.
For distance. And here? And here? Yeah, I understand what you want. Here mean very near to you. Like in your hand you say, here is a pen, here is pencil.
Here
Like
is
that?
a
Like that? Okay, thank you. Good.